Are you looking for the top 6 air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Ninja AF-101. If you want the best rated air fryer under $100, the Ninja AF-101 may be the best small digital air fryer under $100 there is. It has a ton of great features that excel in pretty much every way, giving you those tasty, crispy dishes without adding all the fat. This air fryer includes a 4-quart basket that can hold up to 2 pounds of French fries, 2 pieces of chicken, or a bunch of wings. This basket is ceramic coated to keep all of those foods from sticking, too, for less of a mess when it's time to clean up. There is a crisper plate in the basket that increases the airflow around the food, so it cooks quickly and evenly every time. You can choose one of 4 functions when it comes to cooking with this air fryer, including air frying, roasting, reheating, or dehydrating. This allows you to cook what you want and how you want to get the perfect meal. There is even a multi-layer shelf for dehydrating, so you can increase how much food you can do in each batch. The control panel is all one touch, with one button for each cooking function. The temperature and timer are controlled with simple arrow buttons as well, so you can set it exactly how you need it. Since cleanup is the worst part of cooking, the Ninja makes this extra easy. The basket, crisper plate, and multi-layer rack are all dishwasher safe for quick cleanup after your meal. At number 2, Big Boss Oil-less Air Fryer. There are a few reasons that the Big Boss Oil-less Air Fryer is one of the best air fryer models under $100 on Amazon. It allows you to do more than just fry your food. You can also bake, grill, and roast as well. If you add a bit more time to your cooking, you can even dehydrate some fruit for a tasty trail mix, making this one of the most versatile models around. This model has 1,300 watts of power and uses triple cooking power. The halogen heats the food's surface while the convection circulates the air for even heat distribution. The infrared heat gently cooks your meals from the inside out, which helps to seal in the moisture. The controls on this air fryer are easy to use. On the top of the unit are 2 dials, one for the temperature and the other for the timer. There is an auto shut-off that turns off the heat when the timer goes off. 2 indicator lights also show you that the power and the heat are on. For added convenience, there are also a few directions for specific foods next to the dials. Though a bit heavy, the glass bowl is sturdy and large enough to cook a decent-sized meal. It includes an extender ring for cooking larger foods, a shelf set that lets you cook 2 different foods at the same time, and a cookbook with over 50 recipes to help get you started. At number 3, BLACK+DECKER HF-110 SPD. Despite its low, budget-friendly price, the BLACK+DECKER HF-110 SPD is a high-quality air fryer that makes some delicious meals. It uses dual convection fans to circulate the air around your food, giving it a crispy outside and a moist inside. The basket has a 2-liter capacity, giving you enough room for a couple of potatoes, 2 chicken breasts, about 8 chicken wings, or a decent batch of fries. There is also a basket separator that splits the cooking area in the basket, giving you the space to cook 2 foods at the same time. These 2 pieces are also non-stick and dishwasher safe. There are 2 dials, one for the variable temperature control that ranges from 175–400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the other for the 60-minute timer. The timer has an auto shut-off feature as well to prevent burnt meals. The numbers on these dials are a bit small though, making them hard to read. Indicator lights tell you when your air fryer is turned on and when the unit has preheated to the desired cooking temperature. The handle stays cool, so you don't need to use any oven mitts when pulling out the basket. Another great feature this model has is its sleek design. It comes in black, with silver on the top and the handle, so it should fit into any modern kitchen. The smooth surface is also easy to wipe down when your meal is finished. At number 4, Cuisinart AFR-25. If you want the best air fryer oven under $100,
The Cuisinart AFR-25 may be the one you're looking for. This model has a unique look, similar to a toaster oven, but uses a motor fan and heater combination that is specifically designed to give you more airflow and high heat. This provides you with excellent results, though your meals may cook faster than expected, requiring you to keep a close eye until you've mastered the use of this unit. Though its compact design lets you squeeze this air fryer under a cabinet or in the corner of your counter, it still has a decent capacity. It can cook a 12-inch pizza, over a dozen wings, or even toast up to 6 slices of bread at the same time. This means you can feed a couple of people with each batch you cook. Another great feature is the fact that this unit allows you to use 7 different features, letting you air fry, toast, warm, convection bake, convection broil, bake, and broil, all with one handy appliance. The interior is non-stick, and the exterior is stainless steel, so it is simple to clean the entire unit when you're done the cooking. It comes with an air fry basket and a baking pan, drip tray. The slim opening does make it tricky to remove these items, so be extra careful. For the controls, there are dials for the 60-minute timer and the temperature, which goes from warm to an incredibly high 450 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 5, compact air fryer. Those who have limited space may not have the room for a large air fryer on their counter. The solution may be the compact air fryer, which is a smaller unit than most of the models out there. This also means it makes smaller batches in its 1.3-quart basket, but for singles or couples who have yet to have kids, this is a great option. The air fryer comes in 5 great colors, so you can pick the one you like best to match the rest of your kitchen. This model is also lightweight, making it more portable than the average air fryer, so you can take it with you in your RV or camper, or send it with along a teenager going off to college. This model is easy to use, with 2 simple dials for the controls. The temperature dial is on the top of the unit, while the timer is on the front above the basket handle. The numbers on these dials are a bit small, though, so they may be hard to read for some people. On the top, there are 2 indicator lights, one for the power and the other for the heat. When the timer runs out, an auto shut-off turns the heat off, so you don't need to worry about overcooking your meals. Other great features include the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket and the cookbook with over 15 recipes to help get you started. At number 6, BLACK 14538. The BLACK 14538 uses 1500-watt convection technology, which circulates the heat throughout the oven area. This cooks everything inside quickly and evenly without the use of those fattening oils. Not only does this ensure healthy meals, but they will also taste fantastic. This unit has 2 indicator lights on the top, one for the power and one for the heat. There is also a dial for the temperature, which allows you to adjust it as needed from 175 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives you the exact temperature needed for pretty much any meal you want to cook. There is a timer dial as well, so you can cook what you want for as long as it needs. When the time is up, the auto shut-off turns off the heat and the indicator light mentioned above. The baking tray slides in at the front, with a large handle on it for easy maneuvering when it's full of food. The baking tray inside has a non-stick coating to keep your food from sticking while it cooks. It is also dishwasher safe so that you can clean it up quickly and easily after each meal. The basket capacity is 2.6 quarts, which is great for smaller meals for only 1 or 2 people. For more people than that, you may need to make a few batches to be able to feed everyone. It runs a bit loud, too, though it's not overly distracting.